What's going on, everybody? We're back here with another fishing video. We're back up in the mountains. We're gonna see if we can catch us some fish today. We got our ultralight rods with us. We got Kennedy with us today. We're gonna see if we can catch us some different fish. Hopefully catch some trout, suckers, panfish, whatever. And we just got our normal baits with us today, so hopefully we can do good, and let's get to fishing. All right, let's get started here. We're moving upstream. We haven't had no bites at the first spot. All right, we've made it to the next spot. Very nice pool in front of us. Hopefully we can catch us some fish. Oh, we got our first fish. It's a smallmouth. First fish today, baby smallmouth. Got one. Kennedy's got a sunfish.
It's a cheater. It's a cheater. I didn't get it by the mouth.
Well, he probably went for it.
He probably did not. It's in his side.
It still counts. That's towards the front of the face.
That's like hooking it on the side or something. That's cheating.
There's Kennedy's fish. Fish number 2. You know what? Oh. Alright, we made it to our next spot. We're going to see if we can catch anything. Let's see. I caught one, Kennedy caught one, so hopefully we can catch some more at this spot. Me and Kennedy just discovered something very terrifying. We found us a snake right here. He's sitting right there on this rock. It's not a black snake. Don't know what kind he is exactly. There's the snake right there, if y'all can see it. He's waiting for somebody to step on him. No. Mm-mm. Oh, got a fish.
Aw. It's a little cutie.
A nice sunfish. Yeah. Oh, there he goes.
You have a bite?
Mm-mm. What?
Why did you move away from me?
I was trying to fish somewhere different. Oh, we got a fish. We finally got our next fish. Sunfish. It's got some pretty colors. We'll go ahead and get you right back, buddy. Well, this is the end of the fishing trip. Sorry we had to cut it short. I forgot to close out the video when we was up there in the mountains, so I hope y'all enjoyed this fishing video. I know we didn't catch many, like I caught 3, Kennedy caught 1, so hopefully next time we can catch some more, and hopefully y'all enjoyed. And don't forget to leave a like, think about subscribing, and we'll see y'all in the next fishing video.